If you've been trying to figure out how to set up a refer a friend form with tracking quickly and without tech headaches, this tutorial will walk you through exactly how to do it in under 3 minutes. Plus, I'll show you the easiest software I found after testing all the top ones. And if you stick with me, there's an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel in the description below, so you can follow along step by step. So, let's dive right in. First, open the software we'll be using and go to the Form Builder section. We're starting with a blank form. Add a basic contact field for the referrer, like their name and email, and then add a section for their friend's info. That could be just name and email too, or phone if you want to send SMS notifications. Next, the tracking part. This is where most people get stuck. Look for an option that says something like hidden fields or URL parameters. We're going to track who sent the referral by embedding their info automatically when they share the link. So here's how. Create a hidden field for referrer ID or referrer email. Then, when you generate the shareable link, add a query string like por referrer@email.com at the end. The software automatically fills in that hidden field when the form loads from a shared link. Now, let's make that link dynamic. Inside the automation or workflow settings, set up a system where after someone submits the form, they get a thank you message along with their unique referral link that includes their info. That way, they can share it directly, and anyone who fills it out is tracked back to them. Bonus tip. If your software supports it, you can even tag or score referrers based on how many successful submissions they've generated. This makes reward systems much easier to manage. Once your form is live, test it. Open the referral link in a private window, fill it out as the referred friend, and check if the original referrer's info shows up in the submission data or CRM tags. If it does, congrats. You've successfully set up a refer a friend form with tracking. Here's the key takeaway. The real magic isn't just in building the form, it's in tracking who's sending who. That's what lets you scale referrals and actually reward people without needing a spreadsheet or a dev team. To recap quickly, build a form with fields for both referrer and friend. Add hidden fields for tracking. Use dynamic links with URL parameters. Automate sending out unique referral links after each form submission. Test your flow to make sure tracking works. If you want to follow along with the same tool I used, check the description for the exclusive free trial. Only available through this channel. I made sure it includes all the tracking features we covered today. Take advantage of it while it's still available, and I'll see you in the next one.